Good morning, good morning. It is Apple Watch Ultra Day. So today we're gonna spend the whole day with the Apple Watch Ultra, see how it does. Currently at 100%. It is 10:10 in the morning. So let's see how it does throughout the day. Now I don't use always on display, and I'm gonna use this as I normally use it with my phone because WhatsApp is king here. What's going on, YouTube? It's Apple Watch Ultra Day, and as I'm stepping right now, trying to close my rings, getting my steps in, I'm headed to the bank here in Poblado, and this is actually the best bank, guys, to go to for the best rate. All you have to do is decline the transaction. So as the driver pulls up, I get in the car, and we're headed off for me to go get my haircut at the barbershop. So this is just showing you guys the scenes, what it looks like in Poblado. There's not a whole lot of people out, not a whole lot of tourists out moving around. Pretty typical day, and lately it has been very warm. They said because of El Nino, we're usually in the high 70s, low 80s. Now here I am going to get my hair cut, and getting back in the car, you can see it's been an hour and a half later and it's still at 100%. So this battery on this watch is legit. For those of you who are thinking about getting this watch strictly for performance of the battery, it is well worth it. Now we're headed off to the mall, El Tesoro Mall, where I normally go to the dollar store there at least once or twice a month. And that's because I buy all of my cleaning supplies, trash bags, and things like that at this store. Very inexpensive to buy it at this dollar store. And it's actually called the dollar store. So that makes it very, very convenient. Now, parking sometimes at this place is kind of tricky because there's a lot of people that go there. And as we go into the store, yeah, this is all the cleaning supplies and stuff that I pick up. And then we get done there, we head out, and now we're headed to Oviedo's to have lunch. Nice little mall, not too far from Santa Fe Mall. Some of you guys have probably went by it and thought it was just a little plaza, but it is an actual mall. And as we're driving back from El Tesoro, we're headed over here to Oviedo's where we arrive now. And like I said, it just looks like a plaza from the street, but it's an actual mall. It's a real size mall. All right, so we're in the casino. It is 1 o'clock and it's still 100%. All right, guys, so after messing around in the casino a little bit, we decided to leave there and go have lunch here at one of the restaurants in Oviedo's. And I have Erica with me as well as the driver, Danny. And we're walking through. For those of you who've never been to Oviedo's Mall, this is a nice little mall. It's not that big, but it's more of an outside mall. If you ever been to El Tesoro, it's similar to that. So we grabbed lunch and we all have the same, you know, the classic here in Colombia. Just finishing up lunch and still 100% at 2:05 in the afternoon. Let's keep it going. Okay, guys, so after we leave lunch, we decided to go by this store to check out a ring Erica wanted to look at real quick. So as we checking that ring out, we decided not going to pick it up today and move on, and actually going to pick up some cologne today. And Erica ended up getting a bottle as well, inspired by my man Steele. So check this out. So picking up some Creed, what is it, Silver Mountain water. Yeah, Ventus is up here. The Ventus is way too much here, but the Silver Mountain water, it's all right. It's a little under 500. A Ventus is over $700 here for a single bottle. No, not this time. I'll wait till I go to the States. But as far as the watch goes, still 100% at 2:30 in the afternoon. All right, guys, made it back to the house. Be here for a little bit. 96% at 5:40 in the afternoon. Getting ready to head to the movies though pretty soon. So give you another update in a little bit. All right, guys, so while we're at the movies, I've gotten a few phone calls and emails I had to respond back to. So I have been using the watch a lot more than earlier. So here's another update. All right, currently 9 o'clock. Still got 92% left on the phone. Sorry, on the watch. 92%, 9 o'clock. All right, guys, so it is 10 minutes till 10. I'm at 91%, so I'm shutting it down. But yeah, total day started this morning before 10, and I'm still at 91%. I think I took about 3 phone calls. I had like 5 messages on WhatsApp, and that was pretty much it, other than my normal notifications that I get. But yeah, this battery life is why to get this thing. Everything else is pretty much the same as any other Apple Watch that you get. All right, guys, that's it. A typical day here in Medellin using the Apple Watch. Great for battery life, works just like any other Apple Watch, and that's gonna be it. I'm out. Peace.